Working on cruise ships, I've been to this island like maybe 30 or 40 times. So I'm here at the island of Lifou, New Caledonia. And this is a beautiful island to do some snorkeling, and I really wanted to try out the AEMO Powerbreather again. So in the last video, you might have seen me trying it out, and it worked great. I mean, I had no problems with it. I did find it weird that the bubbles were going in my face, but then I found out later from the people who created this that I was doing it wrong. I think I need to read the instructions and do it right. So we're gonna tender off and head to the island, and let's do this. There's a lot of places on this island that you can snorkel, but we're gonna head over to the other side where it's a little bit less busy. There's only really one spot you can get in and out pretty easily, but you need tickets for it. You need to buy tickets to get in the water here. I didn't bring any money. We might have to just go back over to the other side where it's free. This is the Powerbreather Beach Edition. You can already tell that this isn't your average snorkel. Most notably, 2 tubes at the top to give you full oxygen. And then you breathe out through this part at the bottom. Put this over your head first. Get your mask on. I'm gonna sound really weird. First thing I need to fix is what I did wrong in the first video. And just a quick twist here and it's working like it was intended to. The bubbles aren't in my face. This is amazing. The snorkeling on this side of the island, it's all right, but we're not here for that. I'm just here to test out the Powerbreather. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. Powerbreather, you basically fixed everything wrong with snorkeling, and that was the most comfortable I've ever snorkeled. I could have stayed out there for hours and hours, but I gotta get back on the ship. Alright, so I'm back on the ship, and I just wanted to say 3 things. Number 1, this is not a sponsored or paid for video. AEMO sent me this to try out and just to do a review on, and I thought that was pretty cool, because this is actually the first time a company has done that for me on this channel, so sweet. So the second thing is, this is an honest review, and before, snorkeling sucked. I hated snorkeling. I always felt like I was struggling to breathe. The water would get in the tube and it'd get in your mouth and you have to spit it out. And my mouth would always hurt from that mouthpiece that was like plastic, and it was never pleasant. And then I tried this out. It was really comfortable. It was perfect. They did a great job. Like, wow. I never thought I'd get to try something like that on this channel. And the third thing is to check out in the more info or description down below, I put a website to where you can get your own Powerbreather if you're interested. If you're on the fence and you're watching this because you're thinking about buying it, buy it. It's really good. It's great. And they even offered me a code for you guys watching, 15% off if you click that and you buy it through there. So that might take care of the shipping, you know? All right, well oh wait, hold on, giveaway. So when they sent this out to me, they asked me if I wanted some money, and I said, just send me 2 so that I can give 1 away to one of my subscribers. But basically, this is how the giveaway is gonna work. If you wanna be part of the giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber, and then write down in the comments that you want to be part of the giveaway, and let me know what you'd use this snorkel for, like where in the world, any cool spots. And then once this video gets over 10,000 views, I'm gonna take all of those comments and I'm going to draw at random here on this channel. So you could win. I mean, I'm not a big channel. Like, this is pretty cool. Like, I'm not, like, you have an opportunity to win this. Okay, well that's it for me. Thank you, AEMO, for giving me this Powerbreather, and I can't wait to use it more and more in my videos to come. Give us a minute. Thanks for that sweet hookup. And also, yeah, stay tuned for more videos happening all the time on this channel. Ship videos too, right? Ship. Yeah. Good seal, it doesn't leak. Yeah, it doesn't leak. Wow. You just Yeah, you just breathe, and it's like pure oxygen too, because all the breathing out comes out here like in like a bubble. So, yeah. That's stupid. Hey, if you're still here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And there's a little bell you can click that will give you notifications for my next video. Also, check out my live streaming channel. And if you really want to see another video, check this one out. I mean, why not?